Ears up, senses distress while walking a forest, hears a faint animal cry and bolts into action. A baby fox is stuck in a thorny bush. Uses her teeth to gently pull thorns away. The baby fox reunites with its mom nearby. Hears roaring water and sees a fawn trapped midstream. Paddles out bravely into the rushing water. Lets the fawn climb on her back to safety. Emerges from the river with the fawn, exhausted but proud. Smoke rises from the forest, something's burning. Corgi Puppy sprinting through smoky forest path. A frightened owl chick is stuck in a hollow tree surrounded by fire. Leaps to pull the owl chick out just in time. Sits watching the sunset with the rescued animals.